Hi, I'm Andy Pye, Consulting Editor of Drives and Controls, and it's our pleasure to be sponsoring the Systems and Applications Theatre at the UKIVA Machine Vision Conference and Exhibition. As you know, although the physical event has been postponed until 2021 because of COVID, the presentations for this year's conference will be free to view from the 14th of May this year on the website machinevisionconference.co.uk. So what have we on show in the Systems and Applications Theatre? In all, we have no less than 7 expert speakers who are covering practical applications of machine vision and related technologies across a number of key market sectors. And in this virtual form of the event, there are no coffee breaks and you can stop for lunch when you like as you work through what we think is an excellent programme, and I'm sure you'll agree. One of those related technologies that I mentioned earlier is becoming increasingly prominent, and that is artificial intelligence, or otherwise known as deep learning. Our first speaker is Simon Banks of vision systems integrator Acrovision, and he's first on stage. The company has recently moved into 3D vision systems and collaborative robots, and Simon is going to cover some real-life situations where traditional vision systems wouldn't be feasible, but with deep learning it's possible to solve those problems whilst remaining cost-effective. Our second speaker is Mike Hughes, and he's an expert in coding and labelling for packaging. He founded Auto Coding Systems way back in 2005, and he will describe the company's packaging line automation options. They are now working in partnership with SICK and have extended into automatic print inspection. The accuracy and legibility of variable information on consumer products is critical, and manufacturers often have to deal with problems such as partially printed information, poor quality, missing codes, and information printed in the wrong location. So this is ideal for intelligent systems. Our third speaker is also focusing on artificial intelligence, but this time in the thermal imaging area. John Dunlop co-founded Bytronic Automation even further back in 1997. He's a data analytics expert and specialises in the design, installation and maintenance of large-scale manufacturing data analysis systems, and he's had installations in some of the world's biggest companies, including Coca-Cola, Unilever, P&G and Jaguar. Thermal cameras are rapidly becoming an essential tool in packaging to identify quality issues during sealing and carton closure, but many of these processes are difficult to define by traditional programming methods because of variability. The tolerances vary, so it's hard to find established pass or fail criteria, and there are variations in environment, poor fixturing, and this is ideal for artificial intelligence where the system itself can examine pass and fail examples and learn for itself how to improve the inspection performance. Highly topical is our next presentation, which deals with the use of machine vision in packaging sterile pharmaceuticals. Conor O'Kelly is Crest Solutions technical expert for labelling technologies and print quality verification. He will describe a turnkey system for inspecting vials in accordance with the prevailing regulations, which are designed to ensure that patient safety is maintained in aseptic environments. Machine vision is used to achieve a level of resolution, speed and repeatability simply not possible with manual visual inspection methods. Then we have an intriguingly titled presentation called Camera Lights in Action, brackets, or how to correctly specify a vision system for food label inspection. Our fifth speaker is Tim Irons, Technical Director of Dymaco, and his academic background is in optics, and Dymaco bring together machine vision, automation, networking and databases to create a complete label inspection system. He's planning to show how there's more to label inspection than just pointing a camera at the label. All the technologies which have to come together are described and explained in this presentation, but specifically he's looking at how to run a vision system operated by non-specialist personnel whilst ensuring 100% label verification, minimal false rejects and highly accurate production data sets. Then we move on to Darren Tyrrell of Munro Vision Systems, who has a background in the automotive sector. He's worked for Jaguar, BMW, Volvo, Ford, and latterly for a major tier 1 supplier as well. He specialises in installing generic systems and taking the cost and complexity out of machine vision inspection systems so that it becomes accessible to small and medium sized enterprises. Very important area of growth that for machine vision. And finally, seventh, last but not least, is Jana Lambrecht, and she's been working in machine vision for 3 years, and a year ago she joined a company called Scorpion Vision. She has a background in biotech and optics, and she tells me that she's very passionate about the role of optics in vision systems. Her presentation shows how to utilise vision in post-harvest vegetable processing, which is a traditional major contributor to food waste, and improving this area of farming is a major challenge for farmers, and a successfully employed vision system can not only increase the product quality but also reduce cost, and we very much need to improve quality and cost because the levels of waste in food manufacture are depressingly high. So that's a quick run through our whole lineup. I'm sure there is something there for everyone who's looking to exploit machine vision systems in their practical industrial applications. Unfortunately, we can't run with a live Q&A session, but if anyone has any questions at any time that they would like our panel to explore, please do get in touch with me at Drives and Controls, or my details will be given on the website machinevisionconference.co.uk. So enjoy our presentations and, above all, please keep safe.